2015-252, State of Arkansas versus Donald Joseph Miller.
Your Honor, yesterday when I Skyped the inmates, Mr. Miller was in Boone County. I'm not aware of any action that needs to be taken in his case today, Your Honor.
Okay. Well, Mr. Miller's status is the same as the previous individual. He's ordered to reappear on December 3rd and is set for trial on the week of January 19th, 2016.
Your Honor, is there any way we can get a bond reduction? I've bonded on everything in Boone County. All I lack is Baxter County, Your Honor.
Let's see where we have it set.
It's at $75,000, Your Honor. Your Honor, I also have a bed ready at Care Center Ministries. I also have a bed ready at Care Center Ministries. That is where I will be going to from whenever I bond, Your Honor.
We're going to take up the issue of bond once, so we coordinate it with Boone County. We don't have the information we need to do that with at this point. So at this point, the court's going to leave the bond where it is, but hopefully later today, with some coordination with Boone County, we'll re-examine the bond on you, Mr. Miller, at that time. So at this point, you're excused. Your next appearance in court over here is December 3rd. If you do make it out on bond, you'll need to be in court on December 3rd and in touch with your attorney so that your attorney can be prepared by that January 19th trial date.
Yes, sir.
You may be excused at this time.
Thank you for your time, sir.
2015-272, 2015-348, State of Arkansas versus Eddie Vanskoy. Mr. Vanskoy appeared in court on November 12th and was set down to reappear here today to take up issues of bond. He'd entered a plea of not guilty on November 12th. That is on 2015-348. In case 2015-272, the court has Mr. Vanskoy scheduled for jury trial the week of February 8th of 2016. He has a pretrial date of January 7th and a reappearance date of December 3rd in that one case. What I'm going to do is, or Mr. Cooper, you're representing Mr. Vanskoy on this, is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
I'm going to get him This is a case that involves alleged victims under the age of 14, so it has a priority on the schedule. The court is going to set 2015-348 for trial, enter a scheduling order that sets it for trial in accordance with the scheduling order in 2015-272. In other words, it will be the trial in both cases will be scheduled for the week of February 8th of 2016. Pre-trial is scheduled for January 7th of 2016. And I'm going to set it for the case down for reappearance. It's already set in 272 for reappearance on December 3rd. And I'm going to set the newer case 2015-348 for reappearance on that same date by written scheduling order. So, now, are there any issues to be brought up at this time?
And it's my understanding from talking to Mr. Vanskoy yesterday that his total bond is now $25,000. Let me confirm with the state.
We can vote because there's other issues. Your Honor, the issue for Mr. Vanskoy is the following, that there's a continued pattern of his behavior, and we are concerned that that behavior, if he's allowed to be out, that pattern will continue based upon the nature of these charges. We'd ask his bond not be changed this time, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to set the bond at $25,000, conditioned upon if he were to be released, he's not to in any form or fashion go around anyone who's an alleged victim in either of these cases, nor is he to be around any in any circumstances under a for any period of time a minor child unless an adult is who's responsible for the child is present. So that'll be the order of the court. As a bond. That's what we're going to set as a condition on his bond, which is set at $25,000.
Thank you, Your Honor.